I come out here with some of the community affairs officers to explain the current regulations. Whether it be a church, a synagogue, or mosque, we want to keep it to a maximum of 50 people per worshiping session. And with a mosque as big as the Maki Mosque, that's a very difficult situation. But the president of the mosque is complying. He's getting the word out to the people that there's a reason for it. We don't want to see anybody get sick. So I think today was very orderly, but as long as they listen to the leaders of the mosque and the police department, the fire department, and the sheriff's office, I think we'll be okay. Right now that's undetermined. The mayor and the governor will make that determination. It could be, a couple of weeks, could be a couple of months, but I'm quite sure the people of this mosque will cooperate, and everyone's health and safety is on our best interest. An arena, a movie theater, anywhere where people can come together, it's for your safety, right? You have to have distance, or even the next time you get together and pray, 50 people, you should spread out. Not be near each other so we don't get each other sick. But we'll get through this. Just use precaution. Wash your hands and do whatever is in the common sense. All right? Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Really, thank you very much. Thank you. You gave us permission. Thank you very much.
صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين يحسب أن ماله أخلده كلا لينبذن في الحطمة الله أكبر الله أكبر السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. السلام